So I found a bit of aluminium angle I can use for the latches. Just going to have to cut it to that width there, all the way down there, and then cut this into 5 pieces, and I can change all 5 drawers. No point doing just one. Plastic's just not going to cut it. So I ended up with 5 of these cut like that. We'll see how they go. I got the first one on, screwed up, and it's just set back here from the front, the thickness of one of the just that distance back, one of these old catches, that much, and we'll see how the drawer closes. Here goes nothing. Perfect. Tiniest little bit of movement. Job done. 4 more to go. I actually have 5 drawers because I've got no cooktop on the top here. I use a portable induction cooktop, so I made the extra drawer to go on the top where the blank space was. So now I've got 5 drawers.